Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your payment and shipping info from Telegram desktop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to clear those saved details easily and securely, helping you protect your personal data and keep your privacy in check. Whether you've used Telegram for shopping, subscriptions, or just want a clean slate, this quick walkthrough is all you'll need. Let's jump right in. First, open up Telegram desktop on your computer. Now, I know that sounds obvious, but make sure you're using the actual desktop application, not just Telegram web in your browser. This process is pretty much the same on both Windows and Mac, so don't worry about differences there. Once you're inside the app, take a look up at the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see three little horizontal lines. That's the menu button. Go ahead and click on those. This side menu is like the main switchboard for Telegram, and it's where a lot of useful settings live. From here, you'll see several options. You want to click Settings. That's where all your account management tools are gathered. Settings can look a bit overwhelming, especially if you haven't poked around here before, but we're going to stay focused on just what we need. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security. It's usually about halfway down the list. Click on that. This section is especially important because it controls exactly what Telegram does with your data. Think of it as the privacy lockbox for your account. Now scroll down a little until you spot either the Bots and Websites section or just Payments if you're on Telegram web. The names might vary slightly, but you're basically looking for anything related to payments. Don't worry if it takes a few extra seconds to find it, just take your time. When you get there, click on Clear Payment and Shipping Info. This is the button that unlocks your stored details. Be aware, clicking this doesn't immediately erase anything. It's just the start of the process, so no worries if you're not ready yet. A pop-up window will appear, giving you options on exactly what data you want to clear. You'll see checkboxes for things like saved credit or debit cards, shipping addresses, whatever you've entered into Telegram's payment forms before. Here, it helps to slow down and double-check what you're selecting. If you shop online through Telegram bots or have set up deliveries, you might have more info saved than you remember. Tick the boxes for anything you want gone. Once you're satisfied, click Clear. Now, this is the part where Telegram takes over behind the scenes. Telegram will instantly remove the data from your own account, so your payment cards and addresses disappear locally. But what's really neat is that Telegram also sends out a request to any third-party payment providers to delete your card details from their systems. Think of it as cleaning up both your room and telling your friends who borrowed your stuff to give it back. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't disappear instantly. And after that, your information should be wiped clean, not just from Telegram, but from the payment services too. And that's all there is to it. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a like. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or if you ran into something that didn't match what you saw here, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.